Everything in this universe is a process. Your body is a process. Your mind is a process. Your thoughts are a process. Your consciousness is a process. This earth is a process. This galaxy is a process. This whole universe is a process. And the process moves from order to freedom, freedom to order to freedom. That is how it be going. Whether it is the universe or your body or your consciousness, everything goes from order to freedom, freedom to order. Now, as it moves from order to freedom, it will throw up challenges for you. And then it will dissolve those challenges. Then again create challenges. That is how you are made to grow in life. All the time we are growing, we are evolving. The universe began as a small dot, this universe. Now it is so vast. It's continuously evolving. Similarly, all life is evolving. All beings are evolving. How do we evolve? Only by meeting challenges. Universe or life is throwing up challenges. If you meet those challenges, you will grow. If you do not meet those challenges, you will be stuck. Challenges will come in the form of financial crisis, health crisis, relationship crisis, failure in life, frustration, dejection, depression, whatnot. All these are actually challenges for you. If you run away from it, it is no use. If you hide from it, it is no use. You have to face these challenges, accept these challenges, and finally overcome these challenges. Then what happens is you grow. Then one more challenge again comes up that you have to face. That is how life is structured. Here we will be helping you as to how to identify the challenge and how to overcome the challenge. If you keep doing that, you will find that your God is becoming more and more physical and that you are discovering your path